You are welcome back. Don't forget, we are still looking at fractions to decimals and decimals to fraction. So now that will now take us to question number 23. Ayo brought 200 oranges. He discovered that 25 of them are bad. What decimal fraction is bad? Don't forget, Ayo bought 200 oranges. He discovered that 25 of them are bad. So decimal fraction that are bad is very straightforward. We've known the number of oranges that are bad. So total number of oranges. Solution to this. Total number of oranges is 200. Number of bad oranges, we have 25. So therefore the decimal fraction that is bad will be 25 divided by 200. You can divide it by bits. But ideally 25 here 1, 25 here 8. But if you can divide by 5 by 5, 25 in 25, 5, 25 in 200, that's 40. 5 in, but you can divide directly like this by saying 25 in 25, 1. 25 in 200, 8. And that our final answer is 1/8. But when we want to divide bit by bit, it will be 25 divided by 200. 5 here 5, 5 here 40. 5 here 1, 5 here 8. And get your 1/8 as we have it here. Number 24. Write 0.075 as a common fraction. As a common fraction. Solution to this: 0.075. If I want to convert this decimal fraction. If I want to convert it to decimal fraction, decimal common fraction, I will know the number of digits I have after the decimal. 1, 2, 3. That's 1000. That would be 75 divided by 1. The number of bits that you can will tell you the number of cells you will put after 1. That is 1, 2, 3. That's 1, 2, 3. Now let's now cut. I can cut bit by bit. 5 here, 1, 5. 5 in 7, 1. Then with that 2. 5 in 25, 5. 5 here, 2, 0, 0. 5 can go again. 5 here, 3. 5 here, 40. So my final answer is 3/40. What can go again? 3/40. Now, let's now look at fractions and percentage. Fraction and percentage. Fractions and percentage. Percentage means expressing a value in terms of 100. The symbol of percentage is now let's now look at example on this. That's example 25. What is 30% of 450 naira? Of 450 naira. Solution to this: 30% of 450 naira means 30 divided by 100 times 450 divided by 1. 0 will cancel 0, 0 will cancel 0. So that means I'm having 3 times 45, and that will be a naira. That's 3 times 5, 15. Remainder 1, 3 times, that's 435 naira. 435 naira. Number 26. Express 60 as a percentage of 80. If I want to express 60 as a percentage of 80, the same thing as 60 divided by 80 times 100 over 1. In this case, you express 60 as a percentage of 80, which will now give you 0 will cancel 0, 2 here, 4, 2 here, 3, 4 here, 1, 4 here, 25. So that means I'm having 3 times 25, which 3 times 5, 15. I'm carrying 1, 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. That's 75%. Number 27. Number 27. Don't forget, you are looking at calculation in fractions. All forms of questions that can come under fraction. That's what we are looking at. Now, question number 27 now. Express 63 kobo as a percentage of 4 naira 50 kobo. I want to express 63 kobo as a percentage of 4 naira 50 kobo. Before I can solve this question, I must convert naira to kobo so that the two quantity will be in the same units. You either convert naira to kobo so that it become kobo, or kobo to naira, that's naira. But I will convert this to kobo, so times 100. So express 63 kobo as, so that means I'm having 63 kobo as a percentage divided by 4 naira 50 kobo times 100 over 1. Don't forget, you have to convert this one to kobo before you can solve it, cut anything, so that they will be in the same unit. So it now be 63 kobo divided by 450 kobo times 100 over 1. So that means kobo will cancel out kobo. So now 9 here 7, 9 here 9 45, that's 50. 50 here 1, 50 here 2. So that I'm having 7 times 2, which is 14%. It's 14%. Number 28. Number 28, express 12 1/2% as a fraction. As a fraction. When we come back, I will continue from question number 28. Thank you for viewing.